Good morning and happy Thursday. It is Thursday, May 21st. Hopefully you have gotten and started, maybe even finished your 9-2 and 9-3 celebration. Remember that thing is due by midnight tomorrow night, Friday night. I haven't even looked at them yet. I will look at them probably sometime over the weekend. Probably sometime over the weekend. Maybe it'll be Tuesday when we get back to school. I'm not really sure, but try to get that turned in by midnight on Friday night if you can. I think you know what you're doing on that. So what happens after that? Today, it says here review for final exam. What the heck? So if you click on that, you will come to a document that looks like this. And so I do want to talk about it. Of course, as always, you can read. What is this final exam? As you can see, it will be on Khan Academy. It will be, I think, there will be two parts. I think the first part is 9 questions. I think the second part is 12 questions. You'll see they will be questions that come from confidence intervals and significance testing on Khan Academy. Why? You can read about it here. Our administrators want us all to give a final. So I think this will be a consistent message. I hope we're all sharing it the same way, all of your teachers. Each course is required to give a final exam. That final exam is for our purposes. It's for me to know if I did a good job teaching you. Now, again, you can read, but I really, really want to stress this. The results from this final exam will be shared with the administrators, and they'll do something with that data, and I will look at that data, and that might be informative. The truth is, and I've told you this all along, I value your feedback more than anything. You have given me lots of feedback in this process. I probably will ask for a little bit more in terms of a reflection once we're all done. But that your feedback is more informative to me than a test score. But I'm giving that final. How will this affect your grade, right? This is important to you, right? This final exam cannot hurt your semester grade. Your grade can't go down because of this final exam. It can only be used to improve your grade. It's not even going into Skyward. I will look at those results. If those results show that your understanding based on that exam is higher than what your semester grade shows in Skyward, I can bump it up a little bit. If it shows that the test didn't go well, or for whatever reason, it will have no impact on your grade. I can't stress that enough. What it is, it's a really good opportunity to boost your grade if something didn't go the way you wanted it to, one of the assessments or a couple of the assessments. It's a chance for you to boost your grade by doing well on that. How can you prepare for it? That's what really today, tomorrow, and next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I don't know, next week. There is a final schedule. This will be posted on Khan Academy, so you'll be able to take it. But how can you prepare? I have made some links here for you that you can use. The Chapter 8 and Chapter 9 glossaries, right? Refresh your memory about the terms. What does it mean when they say sampling distribution? What does it mean when they say significance test for proportions? Whatever. You go through the glossary. Then, the Chapter 8 practice test is on pages 524 and 525. Solutions are in this document on these pages. Chapter 9 practice test on these pages, these solutions. I would recommend that you read through the questions and read through their solutions. Then you go, oh yeah, that's right. I remember how to do this stuff. I know what it means when they ask me to do this. In my opinion, refamiliarizing yourself with those concepts, that's how to be prepared. So these links are all here. You don't have to write anything. I am not going to ask you to grade yourself on these. I'm telling you these are here, and this is the way I would prepare if I were you. That's the preparation for the final. I believe on the final schedule, we are scheduled to give ours, the math department is scheduled possibly for next Friday, maybe, no. Seniors, you only have school Tuesday and Wednesday. That means your final will be either Tuesday or Wednesday, and I can't remember which day it is. But it will be linked, and you will be able to do it on Khan Academy. So if you have questions on that, please don't hesitate to reach out and let me know what you're wondering about. But other than that, I will leave you with this deep thought by Jack Handey. If I ever opened a trampoline store, I don't think I'd call it Trampoland, because you might think it was a store for tramps, which is not the impression we're trying to convey with our store. On the other hand, we would not prohibit tramps from browsing or testing the trampolines, unless a tramp's gyrations seem to be getting out of control. Thanks for today, and wear your seatbelts.